It's officially that time of the year, holiday season! Alright, with Christmas being around the corner, we got something that's on top of everybody's mind and a must-have during the Christmas time. You know what that is? Advent calendars! So today, we got not only one, but two Advent calendars. One from Essence and one from Sephora. Alright guys, so if you're wondering what Advent calendars are, kind of like a countdown to Christmas, and you'll have like different products in the box that the companies create. Yeah, and one cool thing is you'll find Advent calendars from chocolates to makeup to like a lot more things. Almost every company comes up with their own Advent calendars. Yeah, it's kind of fun. And if you are chronically online like I am, you might have seen other creators do unboxing of very expensive Advent calendars. We love watching those videos. But for this one, we went with something that is more budget friendly for us. Yeah. Alright, so let's begin. First up, we have the Essence Make My Heart Sparkle Advent Calendar. And this one cost us $55 from Shoppers Drug Mart. I thought this was US only. And I didn't see it anywhere in any of the stores we went to. And then just by chance, yesterday, we went to a Shoppers Drug Mart here. And this was one piece, the only piece on the shelf. And I was like, my precious! I ran and I grabbed it so fast. So you can tell I'm really excited. Oh, show me! Look at that! Can I see some numbers here? Oh, see, there happens more. So cool! I think it's gonna have a lot of products in this. How many days does it have? I see 24. Alright then, ready? Yeah, let's open it. So this is a lipstick. It has some sparkles on it. Oh, so cute. Glow. pH reacting lip glow. That's interesting. Maybe it'll change colors. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love that it matches my outfit also. Yeah. Should we swatch test? I think so. Turning a little bit pink. Yeah, it's very light. Oh, this is nice. I like it. Okay. We're on to a good start. Yeah. I'm pretty happy. Okay, time for number 2. Right, now my turn. Number 2 is on the first page. Let's see what this is. This is a creamy eyeliner. Oh, these are like full sizes. Yeah, usually I've heard these are like really sample size ones. Oh, this is good. It's like a tapered brush. Alright, the second one's also a success. Time for number 3. Yeah, I'm like really happy with these products. Yeah, this one also looks like quite big. Ooh, this looks like a soft touch eyeshadow shader brush. Okay, while she opens that, I just want to say this one thing. They have this really cute message written here, let the sparkly season begin. Oh. Which is like such a small touch, right? Yeah. But it adds to the experience. Look at that! Such a cute color! It's so soft too. Yeah. Nice! Right, on to the fourth one. So number 4 is a silky eyeshadow topper. Oh, yeah, I like how they're using silky, sparkly. The packaging is really cute. Wow. It's so subtle and sparkly. This is a good size for an eyeshadow. Yeah. Okay, so number 5. She's already confused with the numbers. I know. It's here. Oh, is this like a nail polish? Yeah, I think it's like a white glitter nail polish. You're gonna love this one. Yeah, plus it's going with the Christmas and snow theme. Yeah, I really like this. They've put like so much like small touches to everything, and the sizes of these things. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be worth it. Yeah. Right now, time for the 6th one. Blush stick. Ooh. Interesting. Yeah, see? Good size. Another thing that you like a lot, blush. Let's see what shade it is. Is it like a color changing one? I mean, it does say pH reacting. Oh, try it. It changed to pink! Yeah. That is so cool! Right? You wouldn't think because it looks transparent and like a bit of lavender here. Yeah. That is so cool. I'm so excited about everything. Yeah, right? I want to use it already. This is so good. Okay, so next is number 7. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. Number 7.
So we have a lash separator. I don't have this product.
I don't even know what this is, honestly.
I think when you like put mascara and stuff, your eyelashes get clunky a little bit. So that's when you use this. So tiny. Look at
Whoa.
that. And then I think it's like
1 hour later.
a little comb for
That
your
is so
eyelashes. This is so cute. It's eyelashes, not eyebrows.
Well, it's a comb.
I guess you can use it like that.
Alright, number 8. 8 is a eye lightening pen.
Oh, cute name.
That's pretty interesting.
Is it like an eyeshadow?
That's what I'm
stick
thinking,
thing?
right?
Very sparkly. Ooh,
I
nice.
like a whole product here. I really like the sizes we've gotten so
I'm
far.
telling you, like I have seen advent calendars with like tiny products in them.
Yeah.
And these are like full-size products. So
I can see what the hype is around this
good job,
one.
Essence. Good job. Okay, next is number 9. Yeah, the same page. Nail repair balm. Ooh, this is like
Fascinating. Yeah.
makeup plus like skincare, hand care, sunflower oil and squalane. Really cool.
Yeah. Has some really good ingredients also.
Yeah.
We're already at number 10. How are you feeling so far?
I feel like it's gonna go by so fast.
A lip scrub pad.
Oh, so like scrubbing your lips,
Yeah,
gently
it's pretty
exfoliating
cool.
them.
And I'm really liking the colors of all these products.
Yeah.
They're like so on brand with the theme.
They
of the
match
box,
like
right?
your outfit also.
Yeah. Yours too, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cute.
Cute. Watch me using all these products tomorrow. 11.
Do you remember the number we're on?
Yes. Oh, lipstick, I think. Lipstick in the color crayon. This is a nice like fall color.
Yeah, I really like this color.
It's like
Something
a
that we
pencil
can use
kind.
also.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. So you like sharpen and use it?
Yes, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You can use it as a lip liner also.
Or
I
as a
think.
crayon.
No, don't use it as a crayon, please.
Let's look for number 12. Soft lip liner.
Oh, it matches the lipstick color.
Yeah, and they were back to back
Yeah.
also.
Okay.
Alright, number 13 now.
13. Your favorite?
Only because it's Taylor Swift's favorite.
Oh, another nail polish and in color red.
Now it matches your outfit.
I have to put this on, I guess.
Yeah, again, very on theme with Christmas, right?
Yeah. So we have 2 nail polish.
Yeah, this one opened pretty nicely.
Here's another brush.
So this one says soft touch eyebrow brush.
Ooh.
It's kind of cool.
Oh, it's an angled
Is
brush
it supposed
too.
to be like
yeah.
this? Oh.
Because it's like easier to like use it like on your brows like that.
Oh.
So, yeah.
I thought we got a damaged one.
And number 50. Yeah, am I right?
Yes.
Precise Kajal Pencil. Ooh,
Whoa.
is this like a brown? Oh, nice.
Honestly, really difficult to find kajal here in Canada.
Yeah, it's so pigmented also. I really like Essence products.
Yeah, they have like such good quality products
Yeah.
at like such a good price. Thanks. So 16 again looks like a full-size product,
Yeah.
and it's a hand care treatment with shea butter and vitamin E.
That is so cool.
Right? It's a hand cream.
And that's so easy to like keep with yourself in your bag and stuff. Like
And
when you
so
go
cute.
out. Yeah. It has like gingerbreads on it. It's so cute.
I love how they're all looking together with
Yeah.
like the color palette.
Someone do a count of how many times we say cute because these products are so cute.
Alright, 17.
Oh, my turn. It's so fun opening these.
Yeah, I don't think I could have waited like 24
I
minutes
don't
to
know
open all of
people do
them.
it. It's a lip tint. I always wanted a lip tint. Oh my
Is it gonna
God.
be the same shade as the bottle?
Yeah, see? Yeah, stains the skin. So even if you put it on your hand, it's like stain your skin for a while.
Yeah, especially when you're going to work, you need something to last you the entire day. Alright guys, number 18 looks pretty huge. Looks like we have a makeup bag.
That is amazing.
Right?
You get to keep all your makeup in this adorable bag.
It's so cute! Yeah, I was thinking it's gonna be like a tiny pouch the way it was folded, but it's like
What
a
does
bit
it
bigger.
say? Sparkling heart. Okay, 19. So 19 is concealer sponge duo.
Geo.
Oh, like makeup sponge. Two tiny ones.
They were so cute.
This one's mine. It's for your concealer, so like under your eyes or your nose and stuff.
Yeah, we also got two. So
Yeah.
instead of one big one, they are giving you two. One for each of us.
Cheers.
Do you wanna
Oh,
help
we're
me?
already at 20. No.
Do you wanna help me?
Okay, I'm gonna hold you open.
Thank you. A baked highlighter.
Oh,
Yeah, again, it's a very good product.
look at the size of these things.
Right?
Like, I'm sorry, I've
These
been
are like
saying
full
that.
size.
But I've seen the sample sizes, and this is like a good variety
Yeah.
plus good sizes.
These ones are so good.
We are at 21.
Almost at the end.
Nail top coat. It's iridescent.
Oh.
And it's gonna give that sparkly iridescent look.
Yeah, it probably will go well with the other colors that
Yeah.
we're missing. Look at this color.
It's so beautiful, is how I would say. Right?
Alright, now 22.
Not about you.
A hydrating face primer
Oh,
for an even complexion. So
I've
see?
never tried their primer, so I'll be interested to see how that works.
Yeah. No, just two more left.
Oh my god. 23.
23, let it be free.
Shiny lip plumper.
Yeah, I was gonna say another shiny thing.
Oh my god, the color. It has rosehip oil and vitamin E. So that's good. Oh, a plumper.
Yeah, that's nice.
So something different than a gloss because you already have a gloss. So see how different these products are? That's a good job the Essence has done.
Yeah, right? Every product is like useful and different from the last
exactly.
one. Okay, last one. Ready for the big reveal? Okay, you open it, I'll just hold it.
Okay. A whole eyeshadow palette.
Before we do that, it says, oh dear, Xmas is here.
Oh,
That is so cute. I just want to cut all of these out and save them.
and this
Alright,
is
now
a
for the big
metallic
reveal.
palette. It has 6 colors. You have like a bronze, silver, gold. It also has like a brown to like as your base shade. This
Yeah,
is
metallic
so
palettes
nice.
are like really nice.
Yeah.
They look good, add like that sparkle.
Okay, so those were the 24 products we already done. I just feel like I want to rip open more. But these are so good. Yeah,
I definitely feel like this box was worth it.
good size. And I don't have any words. I'm amazed by this.
I can see why it was sold out on a lot
Yeah.
of places. This was a huge success.
Yay.
Now on to the second one. Remember, we have one more.
Oh, we have another one. So let's move all of this out of the way.
So now that Christmas is over, what comes after Christmas?
After Advent Calendar.
And do we have it?
We do. Okay. Ta-da! This is very much smaller than the Essence one. I think because we've opened the Essence one now, the expectations are way high.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's
Yeah,
see what it does
hopefully
for us.
Sephora doesn't disappoint.
Yeah. Let's go.
Again, this was one that we weren't able to find at a lot of places. We had to order it online. And this cost us $47. Yeah, little less expensive than the other one, but that one had more products.
Yeah, this one only has 8 products, so they better be full size. Ready for the grand reveal?
Let's see.
Oh, nice! Look
Yeah,
at
cute
that.
packaging.
Yeah, and they start from 25 because
After
this is the
Christmas.
after, and go all the way to
31. So it's like New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
New Year's Eve.
we have 25 Christmas Day.
It's shaped like a diamond.
What is it?
Sephora Colorful Blush.
Oh, nice color too.
It's like a really good shade of pink.
Something we'd use like after.
Did we have like blush on the last one?
Can't remember.
Yeah, I don't think we had this shade, so it's something
Yeah.
different.
Okay, so that's a good start.
Yeah, definitely. Although I want to say the box was much bigger. I was expecting something big.
I know, imagine like tiny things coming out of these
Yeah,
boxes.
see, this is how it was kept.
I'm gonna open 26, which is again a very big box.
Oops.
Oh, it's like a fold. It's a mask. It's a hand mask. It's not something I would purchase because like you don't really like mask on your hand. But okay, let's keep this aside.
Alright, 27 now.
And again, we'll put the retail value of these things to see if it was worth it or not. Is it?
Oh, it's a nail polish.
Oh, another nail polish.
It's baby blue color.
Oh, cute, nice.
Yeah,
it's a very
nice
summer color.
Very subtle.
Yeah. Okay, nice. 28. So what's that with this one? Oh, I have another mask.
Oh.
Looks like masks on there. Caffeine eye mask. Okay, this I like. This I will use.
Eye mask.
Yeah. So you just put like under your eyes.
Oh. Yeah, I feel like face masks are like
You
the
can
best
have the
type of
hand
mask out there.
I'll take the eye mask.
29. Oh, this one's over so
I know.
soon.
It's Christmas. You're opening gifts. That's how it feels.
Alright, Christmas came early.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
What is it?
So we have a lip sleeping mask.
Oh.
And it's vanilla flavor.
lot of skincare.
Yeah. Something I actually really like and would buy if I was buying a lip sleeping mask. Sorry.
Okay, time for number 30.
Another mask.
I hope not. I want something different. Oh, random plastic. A lipstick. It says Rose Refraction. This is kind of like the shade. It's like a red, a maroon. Ooh, that's a nice color.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What do you call it? Maroon only, I think. It's
Yeah.
like dark red maroon.
I like it.
Yeah, so nice.
The last
Time
one.
for the last one. So it's New Year's Eve now.
Yes.
Oh, I see two things.
Oh,
Okay, small one first. Retractable waterproof eyeliner.
nice.
Yeah, I think it's black, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and the second thing,
A full-size mascara.
yeah, volume extra large, super sized. Because both these things are like eye-related products.
That's good that they have like the two products. In
Yeah,
one
this is
box.
like a big size.
Yeah. Okay, that was not bad.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a thick one.
Yeah.
Thick brush. Nice.
Alright, we have a lot of makeup
Yeah.
products now for the next whole year.
I'm not as like disappointed as I thought. Like, you know, sometimes Sephora also like does the sample
Yeah, I've heard
sizes.
like really bad reviews of Sephora Advent Calendars, but
Yeah.
this one's pretty good.
This was good.
Yeah.
I don't know about the hand mask thingy, but other than that, the rest of the products I definitely will use.
But actually, if you think about it, it's something interesting because we
Yeah.
would never buy it for ourselves.
That's true.
So,
that is true.
yeah.
Okay, so let's break it down. What do you think?
Let's talk about this one first because we unboxed this first.
Yeah, I really liked it. I think it was
Yeah,
a
it
lot
was-
of value for money
Definitely.
and lots of full-size products, different kinds. You had like skincare to makeup and like tools.
I think. And I think another good thing about this one is, that's what I was thinking, right? Because they have a lot of products, we might not get a good size, but that's something
Yeah.
that they didn't disappoint with.
This, yeah, we are using each and every product. I think nothing will beat all the products that we got from this Advent calendar.
Yeah, definitely. And it's been like a good experience. Now
Yeah.
I want more Advent calendars.
The Sephora one, I tried to like keep my expectations very low because of what we've heard, and I would say it wasn't as bad as expecting.
Yeah, definitely, right? The product sizes
Yeah.
was pretty good.
They were
and-
all full size too.
Yeah, all of them. And something useful, right?
Yeah.
Except for the hand mask,
But
which someone didn't like. But yeah, all these products I feel like good quality. The products they've used, the ingredients in it,
Yeah.
feels like they'll be good quality.
Yeah, excited to try all of those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
Yeah, do comment below on which box you like the more. Yeah, and let us know which product was your favorite. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
yeah, and until then, stay sparkly.
And stay festive.
Bye.